The year 2026 carries powerful numerological vibrations that will strongly influence career, money, relationships, and personal growth. Numerology is an ancient science that explains how numbers shape our destiny and life experiences.
In numerology, the most important number is your Moolank, also known as your birth number.
Your Moolank is calculated by adding the digits of your birth date until a single digit is obtained.
This single-digit number reveals your personality, strengths, challenges, and yearly predictions.
In this video, we will explore the complete yearly prediction for all Moolank numbers.
Each Moolank will be explained in detail, covering career, finance, relationships, health, and important remedies.
Watch the full video carefully, because one small guidance can completely change your year.
If your birth date is 1, 10, 19, or 28, your Moolank is 1. For Moolank 1 people, 2026 is a year of leadership, authority, and powerful new beginnings.
This year will push you to take responsibility and step into a commanding role in life.
Career growth will be strong, especially for those working in government, management, business, or politics.
Promotions, authority, and recognition are indicated, but only if ego is controlled.
Financially, 2026 can bring stability, but risky investments should be avoided. Sudden expenses related to family or health may arise during the middle of the year.
In relationships, dominance and ego can create misunderstandings if not handled carefully.
Patience and listening will strengthen bonds with spouse and family members.
Health requires attention, especially blood pressure, headaches, and stress-related issues.
Daily morning sunlight and disciplined routine will improve both health and confidence.
Lucky colors for Moolank 1 in 2026 are red, orange, and golden shades. Avoid conflicts on Sundays and always respect authority figures.
If your birth date is 2, 11, 20, or 29, your Moolank is 2.
For Moolank 2 people, 2026 will be emotionally sensitive and mentally transformative.
Robert. Your intuition will be strong, but overthinking may cause confusion.
Career growth will come through partnerships, teamwork, and cooperative roles.
Avoid workplace politics, as emotional reactions may harm your reputation.
Financially, income remains steady, but savings require discipline.
In relationships, emotional support and trust will define happiness.
Mood swings may disturb peace, so emotional balance is necessary.
Health issues related to sleep, anxiety, or digestion may appear.
Meditation and water-related activities will bring mental clarity.
If your birth date is 3, 12, 21, or 30, your Moolank is 3.
For Moolank 3, 2026 is a year of learning, expression, and recognition.
Your communication skills will attract opportunities in education, media, and teaching.
Career progress is strong, but arrogance should be avoided.
Financial growth is indicated, especially through knowledge-based work.
In relationships, honesty and respect will bring long-term stability.
Health remains stable, but throat and digestive issues may arise.
And Lucy. The lucky color for Moolank 3 in 2026 is yellow and light brown.
If your birth date is 4, 13, 22, or 31, your Moolank is 4.
For Moolank 4 people, 2026 will demand discipline, patience, and practical thinking.
This year may feel slow at times, but every delay carries an important lesson.
Career progress will depend on consistency rather than shortcuts.
People working in engineering, construction, technical, or administrative roles will benefit.
Sudden changes at the workplace may disturb mental peace.
Financially, income will remain stable, but expenses may increase unexpectedly.
Avoid lending money this year, as recovery may become difficult. In relationships, stubbornness can create distance with loved ones.
Flexibility and understanding will restore harmony in family life.
Health issues related to bones, joints, or back may arise.
Regular exercise and proper posture will prevent long-term problems.
Lucky colors for Moolank 4 in 2026 are blue and gray.
If your birth date is 5, 14, or 23, your Moolank is 5.
For Moolank 5, 2026 will be a fast-moving and unpredictable year. Opportunities will appear suddenly, requiring quick decisions.
Career growth is strong in marketing, sales, media, travel, and communication fields.
Frequent job changes or role shifts are possible this year.
Avoid gambling or risky speculation, as losses may occur.
In relationships, excitement and attraction will increase.
Commitment issues may disturb long-term relationships.
Health remains generally good, but nervous system stress is possible.
Travel and outdoor activities will help release mental pressure.
Lucky colors for Moolank 5 in 2026 are green and light gray.
If your birth date is 6, 15, or 24, your Moolank is 6.
For Moolank 6, 2026 is a year of love, responsibility, and emotional balance.
Family matters and personal relationships will demand extra attention.
Career growth is positive in creative, beauty, fashion, hospitality, and service industries.
Work-life balance is essential to avoid burnout.
Financial stability improves, but luxury spending should be limited. In love life, emotional expectations may increase.
Unrealistic demands can lead to disappointment.
Health issues related to sugar, hormones, or skin may arise.
Balanced diet and self-care routines are necessary this year.
Friday is a favorable day for important decisions and relationships. Lucky colors for Moolank 6 in 2026 are white, pink, and pastel shades. If your birth date is 7, 16, or 25, your Moolank is 7.
For Moolank 7, 2026 is a year of introspection, spirituality, and self-discovery.
You may feel emotionally detached from worldly matters this year.
Career growth will be slow but meaningful, especially in research, analysis, and education.
Avoid impulsive job changes, as stability is more beneficial in 2026.
Financial gains are limited, but expenses remain under control. In relationships, emotional distance may create misunderstandings.
Honest communication will help restore emotional connection.
Health requires attention, especially related to digestion and mental stress.
Meditation, prayer, or spiritual study will bring inner peace. Lucky colors for Moolank 7 in 2026 are light blue and silver.
If your birth date is 8, 17, or 26, your Moolank is 8. For Moolank 8, 2026 is a karmic year that rewards discipline and punishes shortcuts.
Responsibilities will increase, especially in career and family life.
Career growth is strong in management, law, finance, and administration.
Hard work will bring delayed but solid success.
Financially, this year demands careful planning and debt management.
Avoid unethical practices, as losses may be severe.
In relationships, emotional expression may feel difficult.
Trust and honesty will strengthen long-term bonds. Health issues related to bones, knees, or chronic stress may arise.
Regular discipline in lifestyle will prevent major health problems.
Lucky colors for Moolank 8 in 2026 are dark blue and black.
If your birth date is 9, 18, or 27, your Moolank is 9.
For Moolank 9, 2026 is a year of completion, release, and transformation.
Old chapters of life may close to make way for new beginnings.
Career changes or role transitions are strongly indicated.
Financial ups and downs may occur, requiring emotional control.
In relationships, emotional intensity may increase.
Letting go of anger and resentment will bring peace.
Health requires attention to immunity and inflammation-related issues.
Physical activity and service to others will bring balance.
Lucky colors for Moolank 9 in 2026 are red and maroon.
Numerology does not control your fate, but it guides you to make wiser decisions. Understanding your Moolank helps you align with the energy of 2026.
Hard work, patience, and positive intention can transform any year.
Stay consistent, stay balanced, and trust the timing of life.
Thank you for watching, and may 2026 bring growth, peace, and success to you.
Use these predictions as guidance, not fear.